Good day, Teacher Joy and classmates. I am discussing or telling about how to use decimals, ratio, and proportion and percentage in our daily life. In the real world, ratios and proportions, decimals, and percentage are being used on a daily basis. It allows me to measure and express quantities by making them easier to understand. We can use proportions to solve real-world problems, like use cross multiplication to solve for the unknown in a proportion. For me, a simple example on this is that buying chips, soft drinks, and etc. in a store near from my home. Of course, when buying, I will give a cash. If I ever have a big amount of cash worth 500 and the total amount of what I buy is only 50, so the owner of the store give me a change of 150 pesos. Other examples are paying bills in electricity, water, or other types of business, like in car wash, supermarket, and department store. It expresses itself everywhere, most especially in the technologies in our hands. I may find myself wondering what use we have for some of the knowledge we obtain from math class in school. It is sometimes difficult for students to appreciate the importance on it. I often find the subject boring and hard to understand, or even as a baby we learn to count. Starting from a tiny age, I will start to learn how to use building blocks, how to count, and more on to drawing objects and figures. However, technology makes it possible for students to experience the value of math in daily life. Instead of just reading about it, it is everywhere, and yet we may not recognize it because it doesn't look like math we did in school. Math in the world around us sometimes seems invisible, but math is present in our world all the time, in workplace, in our homes, and in life in general. When you buy a car, follow a recipe, or decorate your home, we are using math principles. Even in basic, we are applying those properties and principles in mathematics. I myself in daily, I always do counting, or perhaps adding, subtracting, and multiplying. I used but I never noticed. The world of today, which learns more and more heavily on science and technology, demands more and more mathematical knowledge on the part of its people, so it is necessary to prepare us with a strong base of mathematical knowledge to face the challenges of the modern technology society. Thank you for watching this video. God bless everyone. Stay safe. Bye.